Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Payne and I'm the President and CEO of Amplify Clearwater. I come to you today with a special message regarding our legislative session that convened on December 12th. It was a special session called by the governor to address property insurance challenges that we face here in Florida, all of which we are very familiar with both as residents and business owners. Just a few updates. During the special session, House Speaker Renner and Senate President Pasadomo agreed to address the following: property insurance reforms, property tax relief for those impacted by Hurricanes Ian and Nicole, and toll relief. The legislature quickly considered and passed 3 pieces of legislation addressing each issue, concluding their work by Wednesday, December 14th. The bills were then sent to Governor DeSantis, and his signature is expected quickly. The property insurance reform made comprehensive changes to property insurance that helped to make it more affordable. Changes including requiring insurers to promptly communicate, to investigate and pay valid claims, and in addition, creation of a new optional state reinsurance program to address shortages in the reinsurance market. Recognizing that rate increases have some correlation to excessive litigation in our state, the legislature eliminated one-way attorney fees. And finally, that bill provides the Office of Insurance Regulation with additional regulatory authority over property insurers. Property tax relief. As we know, communities across the state were drastically affected by Hurricanes Ian and Nicole, leaving many people without homes or homes that were no longer inhabitable. There were several pieces of legislation sponsored around property tax relief, and the legislation is expected ultimately passed is expected to reduce local tax revenues by approximately $18.3 million. In addition to the property tax relief measures, the bill provides the following: more than $750 million for storm mitigation and recovery efforts, $50 million for the Hurricane Restoration Reimbursement Grant Program, $100 million for the Hurricane Stormwater and Wastewater Assistance Grant Program, $150 million for the Florida Housing Finance Corporation to be used for hurricane housing recovery, and adds $350 million to the Public Assistance Program until June 2028. And the final piece of legislation that was addressed related to property insurance reform was toll relief. So prior to the start of the special session, Governor DeSantis made public his intention to create a toll relief program for frequent commuters. Senate Bill 6A was sponsored by Representative Busada Cabrera and Senator Nick DeSegli, and it creates a toll credit program under the Florida Turnpike Enterprise to provide drivers who pay at least 35 tolls a month with a 50% credit throughout the year, beginning January 1, 2023. The program applies to 2-axle vehicles at all state toll facilities that use Florida-compatible transponder. The program is expected to save drivers approximately $38 million and is scheduled to end on December 31st of 2023. Our legislators were hard at work this week, really addressing all of the pieces needed to really have comprehensive property tax reform in Florida. If you'd like to know more, the text is below this message, and you will find links to all the pieces of legislation that were passed.